I've been putting Agile CRM through its paces lately, expecting another mid-tier tool, but with promises of being an all-in-one kit: CRM, emails, telephony, sales gamification. Here's what I discovered. Agile CRM is designed to serve small and mid-sized businesses with an integrated platform combining contact management, marketing automation, email, telephony, landing page builders, and a help desk, all in one place. It markets itself as cost-effective with deep automation capabilities. In this review, I'll walk you through my hands-on experience, what it excels at, what feels rough, how its pricing holds up, and whether the trade-offs are worth it. What really grabbed my attention was how Agile CRM unifies sales, marketing, and service workflows. From one dashboard, I could track deals, automate emails, make calls, and even manage support tickets. The visual sales funnel makes deal tracking intuitive, and its drag-and-drop automation builder can trigger campaigns based on opens, tag changes, or form submissions. Landing pages and forms are equally easy to set up, and social media integrations feel surprisingly well-rounded. The gamification and call tracking add an engaging layer that standard CRM systems typically ignore. One big win: Agile CRM starts with a genuinely free plan, good for up to 10 users and 1,000 contacts, including basic CRM and marketing features. Upgrading brings affordable tiers. The starter plan adds email marketing and contact analytics at around $9 per month, while the regular plan unlocks telephony, mobile marketing, and lead scoring for $30 per month. Enterprise level brings advanced controls, onboarding, and reporting with custom pricing that's still competitive. For what it offers, the value feels hard to beat. What users appreciate: users consistently praise Agile CRM for being rich in features at a low cost, making it a strong choice for startups. Its automation toolkit, email sequencing, and landing page builder earn extra points. The fact that it's modular and doesn't require separate tools for marketing and service on top of CRM is a big plus. Many also share positive experiences with support and training resources, especially welcome when getting started. Where it falls short, but I heard some frustrations too. The interface, while feature-packed, can feel dated and overwhelming for new users. Every click uncovers yet another module. Some automation logic is clunky and rigid compared to tools like ActiveCampaign or HubSpot. A few users report challenges with support, billing issues, or slow cancellations, red flags that can't be ignored. And while the email builder is functional, deliverability or template flexibility lags behind newer platforms. Agile CRM stands out as an extremely capable, all-in-one platform suited for small businesses that want CRM, marketing, and support in one place, especially if budgets are tight. It delivers solid depth at a competitive price. That said, if you prioritize slick usability or enterprise-grade UI and email functionality, this may feel overly complex or rough around the edges. Agile CRM packs power, range, and affordability, but asks you to work a bit harder to get there. If this review resonated, tap like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's the biggest CRM challenge you want solved next. Let's sort it out together. See you next time.